Hey guys, Liz here from the Nail Hub, and today I'm going to show you how to use Light Elegance P Plus glitter gel polish. Now, glitter gel is something that is very unique to Light Elegance, and it's something that has made them famous over the last few decades. This product is actually also the reason I got involved with Light Elegance over 13 years ago when I started my own salon. I loved Light Elegance glitter gel back then, and I still love it today. It's such an amazing product that you can add to any of your services to add some sparkle and some fun, and it also helps you get creative with colors that you already own in your library. So today, I'm going to show you guys the soak-off version from the P Plus line, how you can use it to create amazing effects and just add some shine and some sparkle to any of your services. There are literally hundreds of Light Elegance glitter gels to choose from that are available in both the hard gel as well as the soak-off formula. This isn't even scratching the surface of all of the colors that have been made available by Light Elegance over the years. And Light Elegance P Plus glitter gel can be applied over either just a naked nail if you want to have more of a translucent finish, or you can apply it over any color in the Light Elegance lineup, whether it be P Plus or buttercream. P Plus glitter gel polish is going to be very similar to the color gels in the way that it's packaged. It has the amazing color cap on the top to show you what color it is, as well as all the information on the bottom of the bottle. And you can easily apply this to any nail, whether it be finished hard gel, gel polish, or even by itself, to create a beautiful glittery effect. Some of the colors are going to be more full coverage than others, but you can play around with how thinly you want to apply it for a glittery effect. You can do glitter fades just coming from the cuticle area and sprinkling down the rest of the nail by tapping the glitter down into place. Or you can apply it a little bit thicker for more full coverage. There are lots of high coverage colored glitters as well as the iridescent kind that can just create different effects or a more translucent look. I really like pairing the base color with the glitter gel to make it look more full coverage. And the glitter gels just add so much sparkle and fun to any service. Product knowledge and product choice does play a key role in the success of your services, but the true difference between mediocre nails and excellent nails really comes down to your skill set. Want to take your nail experience to the next level? Check out my premium nail education platform, thenailhub.tv. Think of it as your ad-free Netflix for nails, where I deep dive into how to improve your nail skills as well as help you troubleshoot your issues with customized member-requested videos. You get curated nail education that helps you go beyond just product-specific knowledge and master your craft. All levels are welcome. It's important to mention that P Plus glitter gel is actually also available in the hard gel formula that comes in these white jars. So if you're looking for a hard gel product that you can e-file off and also backfill your services like overlays and extensions, the hard gel version of this product is going to be a great option to reinforce structure and add a little bit of strength to those nails as you're adding sparkle and shine. If you're interested in soak-off products that you can remove with acetone, I highly recommend the P Plus line for anyone who's looking for more bottled traditional gel polish. However, the entire Light Elegance line really stands out from a lot of the competition in a few key ways. They're a product line made right here in the United States by the family that owns and operates the company. With a husband who is a chemist and a wife who was a salon owner, they birthed Light Elegance a long time ago and have actually created one of the most amazing high quality product lines that exist. Nothing is imported or made elsewhere. They control the formula and the ingredients in every single bottle. And the other thing I love about Light Elegance is they are hypoallergenic. The ingredients they use in their gels are not only great for people that are already dealing with nail allergies, but they help prevent nail allergies just inside of the liquid formula itself. It's a high performance product line that's going to wow you and your clientele, and I can't wait for you guys to get your hands on it. All of the Light Elegance products are available at thenailhub.com, and I'll be in touch soon with another tutorial. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Bye.